Welcome to new video. In this video I will show how to remove phone number or email on Facebook. Phone number or email remove problem solve on Facebook. Let's see how to remove. Go to Facebook app, then click on three dot menu, then scroll down, click on setting and privacy, tap on setting, tap on account center, tap on personal details, click on contact info. First add a number or email, then delete it. Add new contact, tap on add phone number or add email address. Now add a phone number, click on next, tap on contact info, tap on number or email, click delete email address or phone number address, tap on delete, put your phone number or email address code, then tap on continue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.